Every tea bag begins its journey in vast tea plantations, where fresh leaves are carefully harvested every day.
Only selected young leaves are harvested to maintain consistent quality.
Harvested leaves are immediately weighed and recorded before transportation.
Fresh leaves are transported quickly to preserve their natural qualities. Thousands of tons of tea leaves arrive at this massive processing facility. Automated systems transfer leaves directly into production. Quality control begins immediately upon arrival. Samples undergo detailed testing before production begins. Leaves enter the withering stage, where moisture begins to decrease. Controlled airflow gently removes excess moisture. Next, the leaves are prepared for rolling. Rolling breaks leaf structures and releases natural compounds. The freshly rolled leaves begin their journey down the line, undergoing meticulous inspection at every stage. Oxidation develops the tea's color and flavor profile. During oxidation, the leaves develop the rich character tea lovers recognize. After oxidation, the leaves enter industrial drying systems that halt the process and preserve flavor.
Carefully controlled temperatures reduce moisture while protecting tea quality.
Moisture levels are continuously monitored to ensure consistency. Specialized screens separate tea into different grades. Each grade is classified according to particle size and intended use.
These advanced laser scanners inspect thousands of tea particles per second, ensuring only the highest quality leaves make it through.
Automated systems remove impurities before blending begins. Different tea grades are temporarily stored before blending.
Computerized recipes ensure consistent flavor in every batch.
Selected grades are blended to achieve the desired flavor profile. Every batch is blended for uniform taste and aroma. Experts verify aroma and consistency before packaging. Specialized machines prepare tea particles for tea bag production. Only carefully selected grades continue to tea bag manufacturing. Now the processed tea enters the department where millions of tea bags are produced every day.
It takes precision to load the giant paper rolls, but once secured, the
Automated feeding systems maintain perfect alignment throughout production. Precision dosing systems measure exact quantities for every tea bag.
Filter paper is folded around carefully measured portions of tea.
Ultrasonic technology seals each tea bag without damaging the contents. Modern equipment can produce thousands of tea bags every minute. Strings are automatically attached for convenient brewing. Each tea bag receives an attached tag for easy handling. Automated systems securely connect tags to every tea bag. Advanced cameras inspect every tea bag for quality.
Automated monitoring helps maintain consistent production standards.
Any tea bag that fails inspection is automatically removed.
Electronic counters prepare tea bags for final packaging. Many tea bags receive protective wrappers to preserve freshness. Each tea bag is sealed to protect flavor and aroma until brewing.
Empty cartons are delivered automatically to the filling stations.
High-speed equipment loads precise quantities into every box. Each package is weighed to verify accurate contents. Automated sealers prepare each box for distribution. Traceability information is printed on every package. Final inspections ensure packaging meets strict quality standards. Protective wrapping helps secure products during transport.
This is Sector 4. Palletizing is running at peak capacity. No issues to report.
Finished products are transported to storage warehouses.
Advanced storage systems manage inventory with remarkable efficiency.
The Mombasa shipment is ahead of schedule.
Good. Reroute the inventory to the high-demand regions immediately.
Millions of tea bags leave the factory, destined for stores around the world. From carefully harvested leaves to perfectly packaged tea bags, this remarkable journey brings one of the world's most beloved beverages to millions every day. From this factory, tea bags begin their journey to consumers around the world.